I tried the feta pasta, guys. So I put my tomatoes in there, add some minced garlic and some Greek dressing. After that, put some red pepper flakes, some black pepper, and I go in with garlic powder and onion powder and some salt. Then we're gonna mix these together. Add your feta cheese in the center, and then we're gonna put some more olive oil and Greek dressing along with those seasonings again. The good thing about using the Greek dressing, guys, is that it has a lot of flavor already. So it's really good in this. After we add all those seasonings, we're going to put this in the oven. Allow the cheese to melt down nicely so we can mix everything. So it's out of the oven, you add your olive oil and then just press. And then after we press this here, we're going to add some baby spinach. The heat is just going to wilt the spinach nicely and stir everything together. Add your cooked pasta. Stir that in, and I'm gonna add some fresh basil. Definitely fresh basil because it's so tasty, and then the aroma as well, really perfect for this. And that's it. After that, I just sprinkle on some grated Parmesan, put some parsley on there. Delicious. Nice.